Hi guys, tara explore natin ang War Remnants Museum. Siguro yung mga souvenir nila.
Mall din ah.
So yan yung mga remembrance nila. Poster.
Magkano 80 ba?
100 plus. Cutesy. And then they also have yung mug. Check mo yung mug here. Pakita mo lang.
The mug. How much? 250,000.
250. This one. This one.
one.
This one.
For 210,000, you can have your mug.
They also have salakot. Let me try salakot if bagay sa ano ko, if bagay sa outfit ko. Will you check? Video then picture lang.
Salakot. That's Hanabi. Hanabi or Kagura? Kagura.
Music box. Harry Potter, there's a Harry Potter. Check this one.
Ganda.
Check this one.
Doon ka ni Harry Potter?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. How much yan? Can we try?
280.
Ah. Cute.
280.
Mga bag din sila. 450, 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus.
Oh, aircon. Finally.
Oh, again. This is what you like, Dad. Come here.
Also, may automatic carbine.
Picture lang kita dyan. Di, tama lang. Diyan ka lang. Inaantay ko lang sila umalis. Kasi mukhang ang liit mo. I think, ang tagal nila. So here. Sit down here. Nandito ang Freedom Wall. And then, let's check kung may maiintindihan tayo. World Peace. From Fred and what else? Peace, no war. And what? Peace and love. So you can write, pero hindi namin alam kung kinukuha yung paper. Tapos namin. So, peace, more on peace, peace,
Lagay mo
peace,
ano,
peace.
I'm a big boss mama. Pero nakagoma.
One love. Oh, it's nice. One love.
Baka papel.
Yes, want that. Hindi ko dala yung ano ko. Calligraphy ko.
Ano pa ganda yun?
Ay, ikaw naman. I have ano dito yung ballpen. And then yung sa'yo, asan sa'yo? Ako, Zab.
Bumig.
Ano yan?
Lahat.
So sabi dito, on June 8, 1972, US troop dropped napalm bombs down to Trang Bang district, Kainin province, destroying houses, farms, and civilians. This attack also caused a 9-year-old girl named Panti Kim Puk to get burned. Oh my god, desperation. Sino kaya na si Panti Kim? Ito kaya siya?
Yeah, one day I teach you
Or ito?
what they say the area.
Parayo kaya medyo hindi na mabasa.
Lakad, lakad.
Makakatanggap ka na. War remnants and we need to buy ticket for 40,000
All 40,000.
bong.
That was so expensive.
40k parang wala pa. Wala pang 100. Wait. Or
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.
thank you. War remnants.